Good morning. Last night was actually alright. I don't think we got bitten. Or if we did, it was just the one or two. I showered this morning and it was bloody freezing. We're just going to get some breakfast and then we're going on a 2-hour hike over the other side of the Amazon River to try and find some more animals and things. The only thing I would say, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up here. There's heaps of like little things and I don't know whether they die in the night or they're being born or whatever, but they're just, I wake up and there's friggin' heaps of them on this side of the bed. So yeah, at least they're not on me, but still pretty gross. How are you feeling? How was Jeanette?
Right.
Yeah? How did you sleep? Bunch of happy campers today.
No, it was great.
Let's go! Change of outfit today. Still looking amazing. What song is it?
I don't know what it's called. Correct song, Oh my god. Hola. Oh god.
Say hello to the camera. Fly! I'm joking, just joking.
Very. Oh! Yes!
Bye. A little bit muddy. Now we're fully checking. There's heaps of mosquitoes around. But we're trying to find some animals. So, let's go.
Oh, I guess pretty deep there.
Huh? This is not good.
You don't like it?
No, is that what you said?
No, it's good.
Frog? What kind of frog is it?
It's we call buffo marino.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Is it poisonous?
No.
Is it going to jump far away?
Not that way. Hold it like this. Open your arm like this. Your hand like this. Okay.
Amy.
I thought you said you love frogs.
Yeah, but it's gonna jump straight on me. Oh my god, it is.
Hey friend.
That's the
That's a little frog, look. There's a little green frog right there. Tiny green frog.
Oh yeah, tiny green frog. Oh! Hi. Toxic frog.
That's just a tree. It is very useful, good wood. You know, expensive wood. But we use these roots many years ago in the Indian village or in the Indian communities for communication.
Communication.
We use like drums because many years ago, for like 50 years, 60 years ago, there is nothing phone and we hard to communicate it. But the people, all the people, they was so smart. You know, they use these roots like drums for communicating, like that. Depend how many punch you made it, that means something, you know? Yeah.
What does that mean? Steak.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. David Attenborough here. We found 2 butterflies mating.
Oh God, how?
And he's holding her as he flies along, see? He's like, please stop interrupting us.
Already put other stuff on top of it.
Okay, so we're at lunch. And I got catfish, they said it was horrible.
Yep.
And this, my friends, is fried crocodile. And it's wonderful. It's like chicken. Look. Mmm.
It's just lemon and all the veggies again.
Very bon appetit.
Sweet and just
Ice cream beans. Go on, give it a
No,
go.
you go.
sweet. Only the white thing inside is a bits, a seeds.
Only the white bit.
Try to peel it. In the middle is some
Oh,
seeds.
yeah.
It is good. That's good.
Oh, this is a good bit. Oh, a bit weird.
I can't do it. No, thank you.
Or you can suck it, you know. Just like this.
Lisa, do you have to
Yeah.
hold it any special way?
Quick, grab it.
Don't worry.
Otherwise it's gonna... Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a sloth. You're literally holding a sloth.
Oh my God!
Oh my god. I'm dead. This is like the best thing I've ever done in my entire life. Can you see him?
Maybe stand the other way. So you can't really see anything on the camera.
Just got an accessory. Yeah. Come here.
No ha salido.
Go on, Han. You can do it.
Y acá abajo.
You've done it.
No, you didn't.
No ha salido.
Hannah, you fucked it.
We are currently dolphin searching. There's grey and pink dolphins in it. We have seen them, but there's no way I'm going to get on video because they just kind of like pop up and then they're gone. And I don't have heaps of storage, and I've still got a video for the next 3 days. So, you won't get to see them, sorry. Day tarantula. Oh my god!
I didn't even see it.
Sorry, you definitely didn't catch that. There was a tarantula on there, but the sound of me obviously scared the shit out of it.
And you saw it crawl.
And I don't even know if you got it crawling because I think I probably just put the camera down, so sorry.